Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to use AI table in Microsoft Excel. Let us begin. If you need any information in a table, you don't need to go to Google and search for the information, copy the data, and then paste inside the table. Directly, you can get the data inside the table in Excel by using ChatGPT. For example, I want to know what are the top 10 countries by GDP in 2024. Click in this cell, type AI table equal AI table, choose your question, and then close the bracket, hit enter. Wait a while. As you can see here, from 1 to 10, it gives us top 10 countries by GDP in 2024 inside the table. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.